What's up, everybody? We got a brand new showcase for you today at Ferrules Direct. Today we're going to be looking at our heat shrinkable solder sleeves. So as you can see, it's a simple sleeve of heat shrinkable tubing with a couple extra segments thrown in, 2 waterproof hot melt adhesive seals, and a low temperature solder sleeve in the middle. So you're first going to want to take 2 exposed wire ends and kind of blend them together like so. Once that's done, you want to feed the wire through the sleeve and position the exposed wire in the center. Next, you're simply going to use a heat gun to shrink it down. Make sure to rotate the sleeve so it shrinks down evenly. After it's been shrunken down, be sure to let it cool. The tubing will harden and provide a tight and durable hold. We also have double wall heat shrinkable solder sleeves. These sleeves serve the same purpose as the ones we saw previously, just with double the tubing thickness in order to withstand the harshest of conditions. So again, just compress the 2 exposed wire ends together and feed it through the sleeve, making sure the exposed wire is in the center. And simply use your heat gun to shrink it down just like before. Make sure to rotate it so it shrinks down evenly. Be sure to let it cool and you're good to go. As you can see, nice tight durable hold. Can't pull it apart. Now these solder sleeves and other heat shrinkable products are available on our website at www.ferrulesdirect.com. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.